Hello everyone, and welcome back to Arts and Craft Kingdom. Today I will show you how to draw this lovely and mysterious mermaid. Grab some papers and markers and let's get started. We will start off by drawing the shape of the head. Just like this. We will then add the shoulders. And continue drawing her hair down on her back. Just as if we were looking at her from behind. You can choose whether to draw long hair or shorter hair, whatever you prefer. Now, we are going to add some wavy lines starting from the top of her head down to the tip of her hair to give it a nice underwater look. Take your time with it and use your imagination. We will now continue by drawing her left arm. We're going to go down. We're going to draw the hand. And back up. Make sure not to forget the thumb. The next step will be drawing her hips. Left, and right. We will now be connecting her hips with a V line at the bottom of her spine. Now it's time to draw our mermaid's tail. To draw our tail, we will start off by drawing the outlines of what would be her thighs. Left, and right. As we go down, we will make the lines closer until they almost meet. Just like that, leaving it open. Now it's time to draw the fins. We'll start off by drawing the left fin up to the middle and the right fin. Great! The outline of our mermaid is now done. Time to add some details. We can start adding scales to our tail. Starting from the top, all the way down to cover our mermaid's tail. You will need a bit of patience to do it all one by one, but I'm sure you can do it. When you're finished adding your scales, you can add some further lines to the fins to make them look even more realistic. And I've decided to give my mermaid a colourful seaweed top. I'm choosing light blue, but you guys can choose any colour you prefer. Great! We can now have some fun colouring in our mermaid. I'm choosing the following colours, but you guys can choose any colour you prefer. Use your imagination. I've decided to give my mermaid a multicolour hair look. I will be using some purple, some pink, some yellow, a bit of blue, more purple. And a bit more pink. Well done! Now it's time to color the tail. For this part, I'm choosing color light blue, but again guys, you can choose any color you prefer. You can add some darker lines to make the details of your mermaid stand out more. That's it! We now have our lovely, mysterious mermaid. Well done, everyone! I hope you had fun, and remember, as always, practice makes perfect. Now it's time for Let's Show Your Art! In this part of the episode, we show photos of all your amazing arts and crafts you have sent in. Today's art was sent in by Nancy. What a surprise! Your Pokeball was hiding Pikachu. Great choice and amazing coloring. Well done, Nancy. If you would like to send in your arts and crafts for us to show in one of our videos, then please send it to this email address. Make sure to like this video by pressing the thumbs up button and press the subscribe button below to be the first to watch new videos every week. Also, don't forget to tell your friends in school about Arts and Crafts Kingdom. And that's all we have time for today. See you soon!